Presentation and Speech Work 12.1 Unit 5
Speak right.
Rhyming Words Review. Use the following questions to test your memory. On the list of words given, choose a word that completes the second line and rhymes with the last word in the first line. 1. He inspected the sweets with a bag full of.
Listen to the options.
A. Suits. B. Sweets. Two. She was asked to work. She turned around and started to.
Listen to the options.
A. Twerk. B. Talk. Three. He fell from the tree and shouted, "I am dash."
Listen to the options.
A. Creed. B. Free. Four. I am not in the mood to eat any dash.
Listen to the options.
A. Wood. B. Food. Five. He walked around the circuit, looking for the house the man dash.
Listen to the options.
A. Belt. B. Purchased. Six. The shells were out of harmony, though they were built with dash.
Listen to the options.
Mahogany. Poison ivy. Seven. Amidst the stress of putting on a dash.
Listen to the options.
A. Blouse. B. Dress. Eight. Winter is coming. He walked around dash.
Listen to the options.
Calling. B. Harming. I'm your speech coach, Chris Nkwacher. Own it, use it. Speak the English the world understands.